All right. So now we're at the end of the escalators, and we're heading off to train station area. It is incredibly spacious. And there you see the address. This is 3rd Avenue and Cherry. And so what are the rules? Escalator safety rules. Number 1, hold handrails. That's good to know. Keep shoes away from the sides. No bare feet, no wheelchairs, no strollers, no bikes, no luggage, no untended children, no dogs. And I guess you basically service dogs you have to hold on to. All right. And here's the station.